Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi there and welcome back to another episode of Naz's Kitchen Fun. Today I'm going to be sharing my sweet and sour Chinese chicken stir fry recipe with all of you guys. So let's get right into this. What I've done is I've went ahead and added some chicken into some oil. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic with some ginger paste. I went ahead and cut boneless chicken into little cubes, washed them, and then I went ahead and put it into the oil. Now I've added some salt. I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stir fry or saute this right into that oil. Now you can use olive oil for better results, and that tastes really, really good, guys. So just fry that chicken up into that yummy goodness. And what I do now is add some pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. And after I mix that together, I went ahead and added in some soy sauce. Now I'm going to just go ahead and add some of my sweet and sour sauce. You can use any brand, any type. You can add some hot sauce at this time. Believe me, guys, you guys are going to smell this, and believe me, the flavor with all that hot sauce and sweet and sour sauce is amazing. This is the kind I use, just normal sweet and sour sauce. So now I went ahead and put my veggies in a bowl. I'm using all kinds of veggies with a little bit of baby tomatoes. After I fry that chicken up for a good 6 to 8 minutes, I went ahead and added in my veggies. Now you can use any vegetables of your choice, and if you're using boneless chicken breast, this tends to cook really, really fast, and the vegetables will cook with that as well in just no time, and you have a perfect meal that you can serve atop of white rice or noodles. So just cover it with the lid, cook it for about 10 minutes, watching that you do not burn it. So after about 10 minutes, remove the lid, and all your vegetables should become really nice and soft at this time. They should have been steamed through right now. If you're using boneless chicken breasts, this will tend to cook really fast. So believe me, both of the things will cook really nice and fast. You just have to keep frying it, keep stir frying it, making sure it doesn't burn, just mixing everything up together. If you want to add more hot sauce, anything else, go ahead and add it. And that's about it, guys. That's all to it. See how fast that cooked? So quick and easy. You can remove it from the flame at this time. Serve atop of white rice and add extra sweet and sour sauce, chili sauce. You can add any kind of hot sauce, anything that you prefer to add. You can serve this on top of noodles. Sometimes I just like to go ahead and boil a pack of ramen noodles, the simple package kind, boil that, and I like to serve this on top of that. And believe me, guys, it is so good. You guys must give this a try. So quick and easy to prepare. Hope you guys really enjoy the recipe. Do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Leave a comment and share my videos. Until next time, guys, take care and Khuda Hafiz.